Hi guys, I'm in the laundromat. Usually there are many people, but today I'm here alone. That's not where I normally am at the laundromat. This is a smaller city. People would love it if they heard that I called their city a smaller city. Yeah, and I had a job interview today, but the secretary didn't appear because it's a big company and the central office made the appointment, and the small town, even smaller town than this one, office, or the place where the courses take place, they just didn't know about it and they are not there today, so I don't know. They will tell me another appointment. See you guys, bye bye.